So reblooming Encore Azaleas versus traditional azaleas. How are they alike and how are they different? Well, I think reblooming pretty much says it all. Traditional azaleas bloom maybe 3 to 4 weeks in the spring, but Encores will bloom in the spring, in the summer, and in the fall, sometimes as long as 4 to 6 months. They are far superior in the amount and in the timing of their blooms. Secondly, they are both azaleas and they like their planting conditions a little bit on the acidic side. Don't plant them too deeply and give them an acidic boost with maybe some pecan hulls, some pine bark mulch, or some pine straw when you're planting them, and they both want really good drainage. But thirdly, and probably most importantly, if you're considering adding some to your landscape, they really want more sun, as much as 4 to 6 hours a day, or maybe some high dappled shade. But it will definitely affect the abundance and the quality of the bloom, so make sure they get adequate light. It'll give you a lot more flexibility in your planting. Make sure if you're not getting enough light that you consider maybe thinning out the tree canopy overhead or doing everything you can to ensure that they get a lot more light so they will perform brilliantly for you.